For this DIY, I used the other half of a pillowcase from this project. I turned half of my pillowcase inside out. I closed one side of my pillowcase using Gorilla Hot Glue, leaving an opening for my hand. Then I closed the other side of my pillowcase. I turned my pillowcase right side in and I attached large sequins using Gorilla Hot Glue. Next, I measured black ribbon from my sequins past the seam of my pillowcase. Then I used Gorilla Hot Glue to set them in place. I made some small bows and I attached them to the tops of some of my sequins. Then I attached small gems to the tops of my sequins as well. Once I was done adding my gems to my pillowcase, I stuffed it with cotton. Then I closed my opening. I glued the ends of my ribbons to the seam of my pillowcase and I trimmed off the excess ribbon. Once I was done trimming the excess ribbon off of my pillow, I was all done. Next, I'll show you my final product. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.